Have you ever heard of a quantum dot? The discovery and development of quantum dots was awarded the 2023 Nobel Prize in Chemistry. Today, quantum dots are found in television screens and LED lamps. Their light can also drive chemical reactions and can even illuminate tumor tissue for a surgeon. Quantum dots are particles so tiny that their size is measured on the nanoscale. To give you an idea of how small that is, a quantum dot is about 1,000,000 times smaller than the head of a pin. Strange things happen when particles are this small. For example, quantum dots emit different colored lights, depending on their size. Larger quantum dots emit redder lights, while smaller quantum dots emit bluer light. This discovery opened up the field of nanotechnology, where the properties of a material change based on its size. These characteristics have given us new possibilities to discover materials with extraordinary properties.